Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dotted line shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert dotted line shape to this document. Go to the insert menu. Then select the shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. We go to the line section and select the line shape. Then draw this line shape horizontally. Press shift on our keyboard. Then select the line shape and go to the shape format menu and click the shape outline and choose any color. Go back again this option and increase the white. Then go back again the shape outline option and go to the dashes option and select the dot. Now I select the square dot. Then click outside of the page and we can see we inserted a dotted line shape very easily. You can increase the size or move anywhere. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.